in Southfield, Michigan. This is a brand new hotel that just opened up recently. We got some Otis Gen3s. Brand new. Another set of Gen3s in Michigan. These were probably installed earlier this year. And they're probably only months old. They look absolutely amazing. Here we go down to one.
So that's what it was. A bad fit, and he should have been. That's the truth. Like, it's not a good fit for the final so far. Make his own schedule.
Four, please. Thank you.
Nope. John.
Let's get a quick cab view. Pair four. Let's ring the chime. That chime is so cool. There's the cabinet. Now we're gonna go back down to one. There goes, that'll be it. There's the elevator machine room. That's kind of interesting. That's on the first floor. Anyways, that will be it. Brand new hotel here in Southfield, Michigan.